Breakfast with Bob.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Hope you all had a great week. Well, does this ever happen to you, your loved ones, your employees, your customers? BNS, bent neck syndrome. And it's caused by having a charging cable that's just too short. You're plugged into your power source, but you're bent over. You're uncomfortable. That's ridiculous. How about helping them out with a nice 6-foot charging cable that attaches to your current cord? One that can have your logo imprinted on there so they know that you're the one that helped them out by getting rid of their BNS. This simply plugs into your current cable. This other end goes into your wall. And now you have a comfortable way of speaking on your phone while it's charging. Want to go a little further? How about providing them with a matching pen? Now they're going to write you a thank you note thanking you for getting rid of their BNS. Want to know more about these or thousands of other different products to help promote your brand? Give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about them. Thanks for watching and have a great week.